Meet the ChamRider DT450, the foldable electric mountain bike built not just for the road but for the hustle. Powered by a 750-watt brushless motor, this e-bike delivers rapid acceleration and a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour, giving you that powerful boost exactly when you need it, whether you're dashing up a steep incline or slicing through tight urban traffic. With 80 Newton-meters of torque, it's not just fast, it's relentless. The heart of the DT450 is its massive 48V 50AH ultra-capacity battery, offering an unmatched 150-mile range on a single charge. That's the longest range in its class, perfect for delivery riders, long-distance commuters, or anyone who simply doesn't want to stop. And if that's not enough, there's an option to upgrade to a dual battery setup, unlocking virtually unlimited range flexibility. But the DT450 isn't just about brute power. It's smart. The waterproof, shock-resistant controller is the brain behind every ride. With AI-powered energy management, it dynamically adjusts torque and power delivery based on your riding style, preserving battery life while maximizing performance. Even when rain starts to pour or roads get rough, the IPX6 rated system keeps riding smooth and steady. Its all-terrain Kenda fat tires grip like glue. Whether you're weaving through slick city streets or rolling over countryside gravel, the shock-absorbing tread and full suspension system make every bump feel like a breeze. Carrying a load? No problem. The rear cargo rack handles over 50 kilograms with ease, ideal for groceries, tools, or back-to-back deliveries. The outdoor-ready LCD display puts all the essential info front and center: speed, battery level, gear, voltage, and estimated driving range. It's clear, even under harsh sunlight or rain, and customizable to suit your preferences. No guessing, no downtime, just reliable control in every condition. Built from the frame up to be durable, weather-resistant, and efficient, the ChamRider DT450 is more than just an e-bike. It's a mobile powerhouse designed for people who ride with purpose. Whether you're navigating narrow alleys, conquering an 8-hour delivery shift, or simply commuting without compromise, the DT450 is your all-day, all-terrain, all-weather solution.